So I'll continue with the exercises, children. I told you, take out your textbook with the page number 56. I've written on the board, page number 56. So Bunty is a good boy. So Bunty is a good boy. So this is true or false. We need to write. So Bunty was a good boy. So write there true. Okay. Come to the second one now. Take out your pencil. Whatever I'm writing on the board, don't copy the question, children. Just copy this answer in the brackets. Understood? No? Bunty has two friends. Bunty has two friends. No, it was false. He has three friends. Okay. You could have remembered the name also. Chintu, Bobby and Tinku. Yes. Bunty breaks the window pane. Bunty breaks the window pane. Yes, true. He hit the ball so hardly that it went and broke Mrs. Das' window pane. Okay. Tinku hides behind a tree. Tinku hides behind a tree. False. He hides behind a bush. Okay. Yes. Come to the fifth one. Bunty does not hide anywhere. Bunty does not hide anywhere. Yes, true. Bunty was a very good boy. He didn't hide anywhere else. Okay. Yes, I finished this. Okay. Now, come to the page number 57. Come to page number 57. Yes, page number 57. Come to the last exercise, children. Okay, leave off the question answers. Come to the last exercise. It's a small match and match the following is there in that. Yes, it is a vocabulary part. VOCABULARY. So vocabulary part. That is a small match the following. Crash is a sound glass makes when it breaks. Can you match the sounds with the things? They are given you to match the sounds with the things. Okay, I'll just write down. I'll just mark the numbers. Just wait for 2 minutes, children. I'll write off the question and the answers. Yes, ding dong. First one, second one, third one, beep. Fourth one is toot. Fifth one is hiss. Creak. Okay. Now the answer is horn, door, snake, clock, bell, and last one is phone. Yes, now tick tick. Which thing does the sound, children? Tick tick. Yes, it is a clock. So write down, mark it 1 year near the clock. Okay. Next is ding dong. It's a calling bell. Okay, calling bell of your house. If anybody comes, new person to your house, what they do? They ring a bell for you, no? Yes. Beep. Beep sound is a horn. Okay, it may be the vehicle, it may be the truck, whatever is, they do horn, no? They do horn sound. Whoever is in front of the vehicle, they may move little bit for them to give place for them to go. Okay. Toot sound, T-O-O-T, toot. That is the door makes the sound. It's like if once you open the door, it makes kind of noise, no? That is called as toot sound. Okay. Hiss sound is a snake makes the hiss sound. Okay. Next is a creak. Creak, 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 creak. Where does that sound comes? It comes from the phone. Okay. Yes. 6 on over. Now come to page number 58, children. Yes. Come to page number 58. So once you can copy of no, the number is 345126. Okay. Yes. We'll go to the next main now. Yes, next comes the grammar part, children. Okay, this is very, very easy for you. Okay, this I had given for you in the exam also. Okay, you have done it good also. Now we need to do it as in the textbook. Okay. Yes, now start writing. Don't write the question, just write the answer. Okay. Bushes, B-U-S-H-E-S, bushes. Second one, I will not write the question, children. I'll directly write the answers. Okay. Yes. Tooth, teeth. Okay. Third one is city, cities. Fourth one, box, boxes. Fifth one is child, children. If you see many of them, you should tell it as children. Okay. Man, sixth one is man. You need to write it as men. Okay. So single means it is bush, bushes. This is one more than one. More than one means if you see two or more than three or four, you should tell it as bushes. So this is tooth. This is teeth. Okay. Inside how many teeth do you have? Okay. Like that. City, cities. Cities is like many cities are there in Karnataka. No, like that. Okay. In Bangalore, many things are there. Okay. Like box, boxes. Box is a single one box. Okay. If you have more than one, it is boxes. Child, child is one. Children means more. Okay. Man, again, man means one. Single man. Men means many of them. Got it? Yes. Come to the next one. Seventh one. Only the first one I'll write. Baby, babies, B-A-B-I-E-S, babies. Got it? Eighth one. class, classes. Ninth one, foot, feet. 10th one, lady, ladies. Okay. Next is 11th one, mango, mangoes. As I told you, if it is single, you tell it as only mango. If it is more than that, you should tell it as mangoes. Okay. Mouse. Mouse next plural form is mice. Okay. Yes. Finish that one, children. Okay. Now, again in the same page, come to the last main, children. Okay. The first main I have done this. The second main, the sentence is negative statements with do not and does not. This one you are not able to write in the textbook, children, because the sentences are very, very big. Okay. So you need not to write that. You skip it off. Go to the next main. Okay. That is the fill in the blanks with do not or does not. Okay. The same thing is been repeated. What they are given you in the second main, the same thing they are given you in the small this one thing. Okay, we'll write this one. Don't want to write this. Okay. Yes. Come down now. Yes, whatever I'm writing, write it off with the help of your pencil, children. Okay. Don't keep it pending. If you don't know, also take a help of your brother, sisters, or daddy, mummy, whoever are there at home. Okay. Yes. Now, part B. Okay. That is fill in the blanks. The last main. Below that same page only, the next main, what I'm telling you. Okay. Yes. The fill in the blanks with do not or does not. This is a short form, children. Okay. This is a short form of writing that. Yes, the first one. My brother dash go to school. So we need to complete the sentences. What is this? My brother does not go to school. Does not go to school. This one should be there, children. Okay. Apostrophe S should be given, or else it will not look like a complete sentence. Okay. Does not. Why we are writing this apostrophe? We are not use one word there. See example. I'll give you an example. See. Now I've written as does. N-O-T. We need to write the full letter. We need to write the full letter. So the short form is just we are not using O inside. We are using apostrophe S on the top of that. So the pronunciation should be does not. Okay. And this one also. Do not. D-O-N apostrophe. It is called as do not. Why? O is not added inside. Only apostrophe S is given. The pronunciation should be do not. This is does not. D-O-E-S-N apostrophe T. Okay. Does not, do not. Got it now? Yes. Come to the next one now. Second one is I dash watch TV. I dash watch TV. I don't watch TV. Okay. That is called as I do not watch TV. So this is a short form. I don't watch TV. Yes. Come to the third one. Next page. Come to page number 59 now. Come to page number 59. Yes. Seema dash like milk. Seema do not like milk. Okay, again, do not means she does not like milk to drink. Okay, like that. Yes, next is Balu dash wake up early. Yes, the sentence is, the word is Balu does not. DOES does not wake up early. So you people now, you have a habit of getting up late, right? No? So you all try to get up little bit early, children. Okay, your school will be starting. At, just now before the class, I told you very shortly the information will be coming for you. Be prepared for everything, children. Okay. Yes, we dash play football. We don't play football. So means it's your, you don't like the game. So that is, you need to tell it as I don't play football. Okay. Now again. So one more. Making questions with do or does. This is also a little bit bigger, children. You can't write it in the small lines what they are given you. So skip off that main. Again, come to the small main, what I wrote just now, do not and does not. Again, they're given you fill in the blanks with do or does. Got it? Do or does now. Okay. The same heading is little bit different. That is do or does. Yes, now do or does again. The first one is dash you wake up early. It's a question form. So these all are the question forms, children. Okay. So they are asking you the question. So what they are asking you, do you wake up early? So if anybody asks you, do you wake up early? So what do you tell? No, I'll be getting at 10 o'clock, 9 o'clock, like that you tell no. So, like that, okay? Dash your sister go to school. Again, dash your sister go to school. Does your sister go to school? It should be in the capital letter. The first letter, now you are starting it, no? So you need to write it in the capital form, children. Okay? Yes, next one. Yes, dash you wear a watch. Do you wear a watch? So, next one. Dash your father wear glasses. Your father yes. Does your father wear glasses? Okay, the last one now. Dash you play every day. Dash you play every day. Yes. The answer is, do you play every day? Got it, no children? This is the question form. Okay. So while people ask you, they will ask you like this only. Do you wake up early? So yes, I wake up early, or no, I don't wake up early, like that. Okay. Dash, your sister goes to school. Does your sister go to school? Yes. Okay. You need to tell it as yes. Give a reply. Dash, you wear a watch. Do you wear a watch? No. So you're still a kid. You're first standard. You're studying in first standard. No, you still don't know how to tell the time. So you don't wear the watch. Means like the toy watch you can wear, but not the real watch. Okay. Yes. Dash, your father wear glasses. Does your father wear glasses? Few fathers, have you seen? They'll be wearing the glasses because they work in the computer. No, they have the vision problem. So they'll be wearing glasses, children. Okay. Do you play every day? Yes, I play every day. So now I completed this exercises. So here I'll be giving you homework part. I gave you already. The assignment I given you, children. Okay. So this exercises are there about the next lesson which I told you, the Pogo, the pet dog. So I'll be ending up my class now here because still more many exercises are there to write, children. It's already time up. Okay, I'll give you after your holidays in the next class, children. Okay, so you're having your Dasra holidays from 14th to 20th, children. Okay, enjoy your holidays, stay home, stay safe, be very, very, very careful. Don't come out. Okay, stay home, stay safe. Okay, I'll continue in the next class this remaining exercise. So we are completing the semester 1 book. So from the next class, we will be starting up with the semester 2 textbook, children. Okay, so there are a little more exercises I'll be giving you in the next class. Okay, so have a good holidays, children. Enjoy your holidays. Okay, thank you so much, children.